Today is an important day, but many of us don't know about it. So let me tell you about that. Today, 13th October, is World Calamity Control Day. Here is the first thing to remember. If we are destroying our nature, the calamities will not have an end. So let's protect the nature. So the day is much more important. We have faced many calamities and many rescuers sacrificed their life for us. So remember them in our mind and let's protect our nature to avoid calamities. Thank you.